Who's with me today? Oh, Hope, say hi. Hi, banana. Cross it. Hoppy.
Wow.
And then that is what he does. See, look at that. Fresh and best.
Butter.
Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on us. Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. You're a funny boy. And who's a happy girl? Hoppy. Hoppy is happy like Didi. Didi is always happy. And what about Joanna? Are you happy? Are you happy? I'm going to make antioxidant face pack. This is curd and this is honey. So I'm going to mix it up. Here I've added honey. I'm just going to mix it. And in my last video I said that curd is an antioxidant, honey is an antioxidant, and it's going to help the skin repair from all the damages, from all the free radicals. So that's why I'm using curd and honey. Honey also tightens the pores, it seems. That is also one of my concern, tightening the pores. And honey does that and also hydrates. So I think it's good. But only one issue I have with these things, you know, whether natural or cosmetic, is because I don't know, the lack of evidences maybe. I don't know if it really works, or we are just going gaga over all these things, and maybe, I don't know. Oh, I'm a little bit cynic about few things. So I don't know, I didn't find any evidences actually. So I don't know if it really works. I'll have to use it regularly. It seems you have to use it regularly. So if once I've used this, maybe twice or thrice, I think it's good. Because this is one thing I really wanted to try, the antioxidant. And I also read that it removes blackheads. Can I put it on my eyelids though? I don't know. Drip, and then I'll have to close my eyes and stay for some time. And my children will be all over the place. I had to do in this room because the front room, I wanted to use the front room. Oh my goodness, it was so neat and clean in the morning. And now when I saw, it's a mess. I thought, you know, I do so many other things. And just, you know, taking out time for yourself to do this much. You have to do, no? You have to take care of yourself. I thought, take care of yourself, Supreksha, now. You know. If this doesn't work, then I'll have to switch to the so-called chemical cosmetics. If I can have a clear skin and it closes my pores, I'm more than happy. Because aging, I don't know, yeah, it's a natural process. What can you do about it? I mean, you're going to age anyways. Maybe you'll camouflage a little bit with the makeup and all that, and with these things. It may affect a little bit, not much. Aging is going to happen, so such and
Wait. You think of a fruit and I think of a fruit.
yeah, we both will think of a fruit.
Apple, but it doesn't start with such. I got it, cherry.
Very good, excellent. Write it. Cherry. Very good. What's the spelling? Oh my God, please don't cry. C-H-E, that's the thing. You have to learn the spelling. You got the answer, but you have to learn the spelling. Very good. Excellent girl. C-H-E. Ow!
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay,
Is
it's
it?
good. Do you have a full stop? Where's your full stop here? Please put a full stop. Good job, Faith. Good job. Full stop is there. Full stop, full stop. Very good. Excellent. I'm very, very happy with your work. You are amazing. And that's it. We are done with the schoolwork now. What about Faith? Gopi likes to color, but what are you doing putting your feet on top? I am also happy with you because you are making so much progress. Yeah? And I'm so happy that you're doing so well. No, you are not paying attention. What I happy? I cannot be happy because you're not paying attention only. How will I be happy? From the beginning till the end, you don't pay attention. You just want to be pampered. You are acting like a baby all the time. Joanna is a baby.
Oh, man.
You're a school-going boy. Oh, man. You're a school-going boy. Ow! You're again touching my mask. See?
Mom.
Mm.
Mom, TV.
TV I cannot give you first because you did not do well, baby. I cannot give you. It will have to be Hope first, I think. Okay? Where are you going? Color first. Why don't you color grapes? Why don't you grapes? Color the grapes. Yes, tell me. Next time will you do well?
Yeah.
Means you have to pay attention. You already are doing well, but you don't pay attention. You are looking here, there every time and you are not paying attention. Hope is telling me all the answers, but you are looking here and there. Oh, why is she shouting so much? Go now, move out. Take the car and go to the children's room. Go fast. Are you in a hurry to color? Okay, then don't color. If it is in a hurry, don't color. I thought you enjoyed coloring, so let it be. Today you don't want to color. I think you are not in a mood to color. It's alright. Okay? Yeah. Now you all can go. I will just send across your schoolwork.
Passion is gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy.
Curd and honey I'm putting.
Please don't tell me that again.
Not on my own, but
I just washed off my mask, the honey and the curd mask. I've been using it for the 4th consecutive day. And this is a small review I want to give. What I have seen is when I touch my nose, it's very, very smooth. And this is how I come to know in other times also, other days also, when I have to see if the scrub worked or not, if it cleansed or not. I have to touch my nose and it just feels smooth. So the rest part of my skin, this part of my skin, it's still not clear. And the forehead, it's actually going. This is actually going. See, I had lots of granules kind of thing, but it is going. It feels softer. This side, it's still there. The feedback is, it is clearing up my skin, first of all. And secondly, it has, brought some kind of glow, or it has brightened up the skin. The phone camera doesn't show you the color, everything. It doesn't show you properly. If you're like me, if you hesitate to use chemical products, then you can shift to the natural. Or if you are already doing it, you know how it is beneficial. So this is my quick feedback for curd and honey that I had told in the earlier video. So curd cleanses your skin, and honey, it closes your pores and hydrates your skin. It definitely brought a glow, or it brightened my skin, and also my skin has become a little clear. I had lots of granules out here it has become a little bit clearer. So clearer skin, for brightening or glowing skin, this is the answer: curd, honey. Now the next what I'm going to try is honey, only honey. So I want to see if it makes my skin tight, closes the pores. So I want to see that. And how many days I've used this? This is the 4th day I've used it, 4th consecutive day, and in just 4 days it has done so much. So we can always try natural products. That is my thing, and I have seen it with my own eyes. So I actually was hesitating. I didn't know if it would work at first, and because there's no evidences, nothing. So but now I'm seeing it for myself. I think it works. You could try it if you want to try. You could try it too. I think it's the best, the natural. If you can use the natural and if it works on your skin, then that's the best thing that you can do. You just need to take out a little bit of time and just do it. Just do it, do it, do it.
Hiding no fears, still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasting no time, I'm losing my mind. Here till the day I depart. Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone.
Me and my husband, we try to make vegetable momos,
Just feel
which has lauki in it, then a little bit of purple cabbage, and then a little bit of soya bean. So we just tried this mixture for the first time. So we're going to see how it goes. The worst part is we don't have cheese. I always put cheese whenever I make lauki momo. I always add cheese in it so that it tastes better. But this time I don't have cheese. The momo is already done. I told you the mixture. And now the thing is the chutney I am making. The chutney is this authentic that we know, the rato chutney, okay, the piro chutney. So here I have boiled 2 tomatoes. So there. Then I have chilies. I have a lot of chilies, okay, red chilies. So I'm just going to put it in, and then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. And I'm going to make 2 types of chutney. One is this simple chutney that we all know, I think, and for me is the best chutney. And another one I'm going to make is with the peanuts. The same thing I've done, but on top I'm going to add the peanuts. So 2 types of chutney I'm going to make. Here you go. Starting. Piro chutney. This is badam ko chutney. Both are equally good.